Unveiling the early hours. The crack of dawn, explained. Hello and welcome, eager learners. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's as beautiful as the time of day it describes. Crack of dawn. This common expression paints a picture of the very early morning, but there's more to it than just the time on a clock. Stay with us to understand the nuances and usage of this picturesque phrase. The phrase, crack of dawn, refers to the very early part of the day when the first light appears in the sky, just before the sun rises. It's that moment when the night's darkness starts to fade, and the day's light cracks through. It's often associated with the start of a new day filled with possibilities. Diving into the origins, the term, crack, used to mean a specific moment in time in Old English, which is why we use it to signify the exact moment dawn begins. Over time, it has come to symbolize both the literal and figurative start of something new or the beginning of an event. Using crack of dawn correctly can add vivid imagery to your communication. Here are some examples. We need to start driving at the crack of dawn to avoid traffic. She wakes up at the crack of dawn every day to go for a run. The fishermen set out at the crack of dawn to make the most of their day. If you're looking to vary your language, here are some synonyms. Dawn, daybreak, first light, early morning. Each of these can be used interchangeably with crack of dawn, depending on the context. And that's a wrap on today's journey into the crack of dawn. We hope you're now better equipped to use this expression to describe the early moments of your mornings or new beginnings. Thank you for joining us, and may your learning illuminate your path like the first light of dawn.